Very good afternoon, one and all present online for the valedictory function of this 10-day faculty development program for commerce, management and economics in association with University Grant Commission, Human Resource Development Center of Savitribai Phule Pune University and Maratha Vidya Prasarak Samaj, KRTR, BH Commerce and AM Science College, popularly known as KTHM College, Nasik, Maharashtra. I would like to deliver my heartiest congratulations to all participants on behalf of KTHM College, Nasik and Human Resource Development Center of Savitribai Phule Pune University for completing this 10-day faculty development program with grand success. Also, I would like to express my sincere thanks to HRDC of Savitribai Phule Pune University who strongly believe on us as well as granted us to organize this 10-day faculty development program. I am very happy to see overwhelming response to the innovative faculty development program organized by our college. Let me congratulate to the entire organizing team of faculty development program whose efforts made this whole program a grand success. I am sure these 10 days were full of learning with innovative ideas in the field of commerce, management, and economic education during and after COVID 19. I am quite sure that these ideas and solutions discussed in this program will enhance your knowledge. Honorable Pro Vice Chancellor, Principal Dr. N.S. Umrani inaugurated 10-day faculty development program. We all are witness to the great session by well-known resource person every day. Hence, let me give the brief overview of 10 days. On the opening day, Dr. Parag Kalkar, Dean Faculty of Commerce and Management, Savitribai Phule Pune University conducted a session on future of higher education after COVID-19. On 30th June, Dr. Mario B. Curiacello, who is CEO MBSC, Management Business Consultant, Switzerland, and Dr. Preeti Kulkarni, Director Munjay Institute of Management, Nasik, delivered a lecture on to reopen or not to reopen the COVID-19 dilemma in SWOT analysis and business resilience, respectively. Moving on third day, CMA Swapnil Kharade expressed his ideas related to COVID-19 impact on investment, general economic outlook. Also on the same day, Dr. Jignesh Pandya expressed his views on COVID-19 implication for the business and education. On 2nd July, Mr. Hemkant Gowde from Pune and Dr. Kamlakar Lashkare, who is the state coordinator for Maharashtra NTD World Health Organization, conducted a joint venture on adoption of innovative methods of creating e-content, especially for practical-based subject and community health in COVID-19. On 5th day, Vasant Bang, Director Delta M Management Research and Development Laboratory, has introduced the topic Impact of COVID on Business. Principal Dr. Rajiv Singh from Silvassa delivered a lecture on commerce, management, and economic education after COVID-19. Vice Principal and Dr. Sunil Doshi from Bhosla College, Nasik, expressed his ideas on research methodology in commerce and areas of research after 2020. On 6th day, Vice Principal Dr. Satish Srivastav from KTHM College, Nasik brought for us his views on impact of COVID-19 on Indian economy and challenges ahead. Professor Dr. R.Y. Mahori from Nagpur has demonstrated a lecture on COVID-19 and its impact on Indian economy. Company Secretary Gaurav Pingle from Pune has covered the minute details on the topic impact of COVID-19 on company law compliances. On 7th day, Assistant Professor Mr. S. A. Vankire from Pimpalgaon Vasant has introduced us to making audio and video lectures using Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Expression Encoder. Professor Dr. Dhanasri Mahajan from Aurangabad and Advocate C.S. Dipti Dole from Pune respectively delivered a lecture on impact of COVID-19 on Indian and global economy and impact of COVID-19 on Indian contract, mergers and acquisition, transaction and employment laws. On 6th July, Dr. S. Prakash from Delhi conducted a session on impact of GST on commerce and economics, a review in the light of COVID-19, and Professor Dr. S.S. Kalamkar from Sardar Patel University, Gujarat has introduced us to impact of COVID-19 on Indian agriculture. Also, on the same day, Mr. Ananta Rajagaonkar, who is the director of Suyojit Infrastructure Private Limited, Nasi, and treasurer of CREDAI at national level, delivered a lecture on the scenario of the real estate post-COVID-19. On 7 July, session was conducted by Professor S.S. Kalamkar on impact of COVID-19 on Indian agriculture and C.A. Prashant Kadam on impact of COVID-19 on Caro 2020. And Mr. Venus Vani is the director of Messrs. Venus Pistol Satpur on impact of COVID-19 on education. On 8 July, Dr. Priyesh CA conducted a session on post-COVID-19 economic order, and Dr. Bhargav Gaikwad, MD Community Medicine and MA Development Study, discuss about fear of the pandemic or pandemic of fear. I am also thankful to Professor Dr. Sanju Sonone, Director, University Grant Commission HRDC, Faculty Development Center, SPPU Pune, and Mr. Sachin Surve, who is the representative of Faculty Development Center, SPPU Pune. Finally, I would like to thank Professor Dr. Nitin Karmakar, Vice Chancellor of Savitribai Phule Pune University, for his valuable time and guidance. To conclude, I wish you all the best for your future endeavors. Thank you. Thank you so much.